Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to do some compounding. See in my account there I have only 100 rupees. I withdraw all my amount. Just I place a 100 rupees here. So from this 100 rupees I am going to take a trades. See this is not a good market. Still I want to take a some trades and I will explain what is the reason. In this whole market there is a no gaps. Just now market is creating the gaps. Okay, I will place the whole amount. Okay, there is a no confirmation, no confirmation. Entry point is miss, no issues. Okay, okay. So I have to wait for it. So we know I'm always trade with the 2 points only, liquidity and gap. Without these 2 point, I'm not going to take any trades. So let's see. First, I want to take some trades. Then I will show explain the reason. See, it was looking like uptrend. Then market is down. Major trend is downtrend. Basically, in this old price lag, there is a no pullback. Maybe let's see. So in this old price lag, we have a only one pullback here. So after that, in this pullback, so this is not a uptrend, still it is downtrend. So if I get any confirmation from for downside, I will try to take a trades. Okay, it is sweep this equal low, this is BAG plus BAG. I want to take a sell trade from here, but entry point is important. Okay, I place the, I take a trade here. See, just because of there is a reason. I have a reason because in this whole price like there is a no gaps. So suddenly market is creating gap here and gap here, and it was closed exactly from support level. The support level means trap. So at least it will move up to this level. I think I have one minus point is only market is, see, I will draw the level. Market is sweep this equal low. This is the only minus I have. But still I hope this candle close as a red candle. Let's wait for the more 5 seconds only. My entry point is not good. If my entry point is good, I will be win easily. But okay, it was a win. No issues. So I will take whole amount. Again, I want to wait for here. See, just I wait for the levels. I draw the levels here. So here is the fair value gap and here is the major lowers here. So any confirmation if I get, I will definitely I will take the trade. I will explain. Okay. In this price lag we have a gap here, but market was see the low. So then see what is happens next. It is a gap, but this is not a good confirmation to take the sell trade from here. I will take the whole amount. Okay. This is one kind of good confirmation. If I get a good entry point, definitely I will take a sell trade here. Otherwise, I'm not going to take any sell trade from here. Okay, no option for me. I need to wait for it. Maybe if it is reverse one candle, then only I will try to take a sell trade. For suppose this green will come to here. If I have any reaction, I will try to take a sell trade here. That is good entry point. Otherwise, not I'm not going to take any trade here. So that is not happen. No issues. So I have to wait for it. I need to wait for it. Okay, here is a good opportunity. I missed it. See, from here, suddenly market was create the gap. It was closed exactly from this support level. So this will be maybe trap. Then it will move downside also. And one more minus point is here. It is sweep this low. So I wait for the good confirmation. From this gap, I want to take a sell trade from this, from the here reaction, but my place was placed here, no issues. See, I take a sell trade here. What is the reason? I hope this will be closed as a even green candle. My entry point is good. So just I am taking the trade on rejection point. See, it is coming from exactly support level. It was closed against a green candle is forming. So even it was forming green candle, not that much. Why? Because in this old price lag, we have a one gap here. So and also retracement is here. See, that's why I take a sell trade here. So I was win just because of the entry point. I take a sell trade here. Okay, I will change the amount. This is two-step company was done now. Okay, any confirmation I have, I will try to take a trade, then I will explain. So in this current sphere, I don't have a opportunity. Wait for the entry point. So sometime it will take long time. No issues because market is not good. So, and there is a news in this IQ option. We have one more option. It will be showing the news time also. See, at we have a 7 p.m. We have a one more news. At 5:30 we have a news. That's why market is like this. So, uh, let's wait for the confirmation. Confirmation is important. Gap was, if gap was created, that is my confirmation. So there is a no gap. There is a no confirmation. Okay, okay. So market is trying to move in downside. Okay, no issues. It will move. In this whole price lag, market is sweep this high. Okay, there is no gaps. Okay, see, here is the unmitigated one fair value gap is here. Okay, unmitigated one fair value gap is here. So market will come maybe here. See, I was drawn here. In these three candles, we have a gap here. Okay, I'm not drawing any support and resistance. Don't think like that. If you think like that, I can't do anything. See, in this price lag also we have one more gap here. Here is one more gap. So maybe market will move up to this level or it will come down, because in this price lag from here there is a no gaps, so that means no strength in the market. Still now I don't have any confirmation, so I need to wait for it. Apply the sell trade here. See, but my entry point is not good. I am trying to take a trade above this line, above this line. Why? Because this is the extreme fair value gap I draw. So the extreme fair value gap breakout, it not respected, and I see the reaction from this gap. That is means this is will be in IFVG. So I see the reaction. That's why I take a sell trade, because market is indicating that is moving downside. See, it is overall move downside. So I will take a trade. Three-step compounding was done. Here is a one more gap. If market also upside was creating the one more gap. So market is, it is try to pushing down more. It is one kind of confirmation for me. I take a 1 second. I will change the amount. I take a sell trade, but enter point is not good. But still I take a trade because of the market. See, I will explain. Wait for the explanation. Here is the gap. It was not broken. It was sweep here. After sweeping, market is creating the gap downside. So here is the one more gap. So this is the target of market. This is the target of market. So this is the confirmation gap. So that's why I take a sell trade from here. Let's wait. Entry point is not good still, but I take a sell trade here. Wait for the 10 seconds more. What is happening? It is reacting from the exactly from my entry point. uh, it is, even I lost, don't worry, because my, if I am lost just because of the my entry points, it's a refund. But my analysis is very perfect, no issues. So market will move down more, but entry point is missed. That's why I'm not taking any trade here. Okay, okay, it was moving upside. Okay, oh my god, I missed just entry point. If I get in within 5 seconds, I take a entry. Oh my god, this is very very bad entry point. See, I will explain the reason. Yeah, this will be green candle. Even I lost, don't, no issues for me. Okay, see here, what kind of confirmation I have. See, market is sweep this liquidity. Here is the sweep the liquidity and create the gap. One first pan. My second point is my target is here. This gap is target. Okay, that's why market is reacting from exactly from here. Okay, no, it is lost, but no issues. No, I will explain why. What is the reason behind it. So exactly, this is my target. That's why it is reacting. So market will move at least one candle to mitigate my targets. That's why I take a trade. Okay, I am not changed the amount. That's why I have amount here. So I can go for one more trade also. Just focus on the trades, not on the amount. My intention is how the liquidity and fair value gaps will work. Even this kind of clumsy market, I am trying to analyze the market. So still now I take a four trades, three was win, one was refund because of the entry point. This is also loss. Why this is not a I can't loss, but it's because of the my entry point. I feel it is loss. Okay, no issues. Okay, okay. Market any give it if it is give any confirmation. See, I place a trade here. Okay. See what is happening actually. From this extreme fair value gap, market is reverse. Okay, but in this old price lag, we have a only one gap. So it was reacting from that gap. This is not a this is not a good confirmation. I wait for the one more candle. So it was close exactly to here. It was not broke this gap. So that's why I take a call option from here. See, simply it was good win. I think maybe amount is not matter. Okay, I will show. Okay, I will take one more trade from here directly call option. Then I will show you, explain what is happening here. See, it is sweep this candle and it was sweep this candle low also. So market will move at least this level. So that's why I take a call option from here. So this is one kind of good confirmation. So let's wait. I hope this will be closed as a last second also. This will close as a green candle. Wait for it. Still I hope this will be closed as a green candle. See, last second also it was closed as a green candle. That is the prediction of my every candle. I hope you will enjoy this video. I just 100 rupees to maybe it is 1400, one loss, but all are the win. Just focus, not focus on the amount, focus on the analysis. I hope you understand the concept. I hope you like the video. If you want to join my course details in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, traders.